Scrolling. Want to create a professional food design like this in Canva? Let's do it step by step. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create a clean and eye-catching falafel food design from background, elements, colors, layering up to final. So let's begin now. Go to the color picker and choose a dark brown shade. Go to elements and size shape. Just circle shape. Add red shapes on the corners. Go to gradient, the circle shape. Click the added one color. Drag the lower down, slightly dark red. Add another gradient color. Adjust the circle shape and align it properly in the center. On the left panel, click Uploads. To remove the white background, click Edit Photo, then choose Video Remover. Align the food plate and place it in the center. Go to Elements and search the shape again. Change the color to red. Drag it upward and position it. Click the icon stroke above. Increase the stroke into number 4. Click Effects, put the shadow glow. Duplicate this border style. Move down and position it. Go to stroke icon, lower it into 2. Duplicate again. Bring it to right side. Duplicate again for another border style. Here we go to Elements. Search falafel food. Choose this one. Lower the size and click the transparency. Duplicate to add another. Do the same, duplicate it and spread it across the background. Since there are many elements now, you can group them into one. Now group them. Then press Alt plus Shift on your keyboard to highlight them. Now that everything is highlighted, just right-click and select Group. These are highlighted elements. They are now grouped into one, but you can still click into view all the elements inside. Next, go to the left panel, click Text, then type falafel and apply a curve style. Type here, change it and type falafel. Select warp effect. Adjust this round warp effect. Search font text playground. Let's click playground now. Adjust the shape scale. And click Add to Design. Position it and put above the flip. And don't forget to change the color to white. And here it is. Now next level. Go to Elements. Type Planes. Click See All to select. And I choose this one plane. Place it on the side and position it. Duplicate to add another plane. Go to Elements again. Search Price Tag.
I choose this one.
Drag it down and position it. Add text for price tag. Drag down and place it on price tag. Go to text panel and change it to red color. Add an effects. Go to effects. I choose outline. And the color is white. Add another text here. I use apricots for font text. So I'll type here only. Change the color to red. Drag it down and place it here. Position it. So go to effects and choose outline again. Change that color into white. Add another text. Change the color into white. So here I'll type now 100% vegetarian. Minimize the size and size it into number 16. Duplicate this text. Made with fresh ingredients. Duplicate again. Type made with love. So now go to elements. Search for line. Click this one. Position it. And adjust the size. Go to elements and search Flames Victor. Minimize the size. Place it to back. I'll just add my own icons here. Which number of design do you want? Subscribe and comment below 1, 2, 3, or 4 or 5. Thank you for watching.